Hey, it's John the Net Guy, and this is the 4G LTE cellular camera, battery powered and solar powered as well, from the Mubview company. Now, it's 2K resolution and 3 megapixels, should provide a great quality image, and the 4G LTE service means that you can use this just about anywhere. Worried about your data? Well, just grab a prepaid SIM card, throw it in here, and have this thing alert you. It also has SD card storage. Let's look at the list here. It is capable of running into -4 degrees up to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It has a PTZ capability, 120 degrees tilt up and down, 355 degrees of panning capability with a 10,000 milliamp hour. That's a fairly large built-in battery, which is rechargeable with the 5-watt solar panel. It has a SIM card slot. It has a built-in microphone and speaker. It is available for iOS, for your Apple devices, and your Android, and it includes encryption. It has color night vision capability and a 1.5-watt spotlight. Looking forward to setting this thing up. We're going to do a quick unboxing, and I'll set it up, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Stick around. So I am very excited about this product because I've had lots of different cameras, but I have not been using the 4G LTE cameras before. And now the nice thing about the 4G LTE capability is that you can put this at maybe your hunting location. Maybe you have a remote property and you just want to have this available for, security or monitoring. Put this up in a tree. You don't have to worry about power and or electrical service. There is the different areas that you can get a SIM card from, some information about it, some support information. This is the quick start guide. Here is the solar panel. And this is the newer style solar panels. They have a little bit of a divot pattern on them here. It's actually better for picking up light at different angles throughout the day. So that's going to do even better. Very simple turret mount for your solar panel, which we like. It does come with a 64 gig MicroSD. Great to see that. You're almost completely ready. And it looks like they're offering you a SIM card here, which we'll have to look on theirs. And it looks like they may even have a worldwide service capability. We'll check that out and see if that's any good, but it does come with a SIM card. So then this is the mount capability here. It is going to have an initial charging cord. Micro USB is what this one is. I like to regularly see USB Type-C as a connector. Just makes it easier, but since you're only going to really use this once, I'm not too worried about that. And then here's the unit itself. I'm surprised, fairly small. Also like the look of this. Take a look at that. That's got that kind of that brushed metal look. This is not going to really expose itself too much unless you want it to. So this could fit up in the trees, and unless somebody's really looking for it, they're not going to see it. Looks like it also has some large antennas here. And then it looks like it mounts this way here. So you're gonna have a couple cool mounting options. So you can either mount it horizontally, it looks like, or you can screw it vertically, maybe into an eave, or you can put it to a tree if you wanted, which is another great option. So looking forward to that. So this is where you plug in that initial charging cable, which I'm gonna do now. You don't want to initially charge this off of the solar panel unless you absolutely have to. I recommend charging these up fully off of a power source and then switching over to solar so that they have a little bit of a buffer there, and the solar is going to keep the batteries topped off on this thing. Okay, now we're going to install the app that it comes with. This is from Mubview. Let it scan this QR code. So I just turned it on and you'll see there's a flashing light here on the top, a flashing red. Now I can hold the reset down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm gonna let go. Now we're gonna set it up just on Wi-Fi right now.